Assalamu alaikum, Tarbia youngsters. Welcome to another episode of Art Segment. In this episode, we are going to make a toy that you can have fun with and enjoy and laugh. Okay, we are going to have fun with this toy. So first, I'm going to need you to take your hand over here. Once you've taken your hand, I need you to trace your hand okay. Once you've traced your hand, you cut it out. And I'm done. So once you're done, I'll need you to fold it into half. Okay. And then you're gonna cut a little bit of the piece. Okay. And then you're going to insert your balloon over here. Okay, so, and then we are going to draw some eyes over here. Okay. Okay. Then we are going to give it a nice nose. This our toy. And once you give it a nice nose, you're going to it's funny, right? It's a very fun toy to play with. So make sure you have fun. You can join your siblings, your auntie, mommy, sister, or daddy in making this toy. So what do we say? We say, Fiamanillah.